Hello students, your topic for today is freedom of movement and freedom of resident. So Article 19(1)(d) and E of the Indian Constitution is guaranteeing to every citizen of India the right to move freely throughout the territory of India and to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. So these are the two rights that are talking about the right to movement and the right of the freedom of movement and the freedom of a resident. So the right is subject to reasonable restrictions that are imposed by the law in the interest of the general public or for the protection of the interest of any scheduled tribes. So freedom of movement is under Article 19(1)(d), and in this the Indian Constitution is guaranteeing to all the citizens of India the right to move freely throughout the territory of India. This right is, however, subject to certain reasonable restrictions that are mentioned under Article 19, uh, Clause 5. And Clause 5 of Article 19 empowers the state to impose reasonable restrictions in the interest of general public or for the protection of the interest of any scheduled tribe. The grounds of restrictions according to clause 5 of article 19 of Indian Constitution, the state may impose reasonable restrictions on freedom of movement on two grounds. That is, first, if it is for the interest of the general public or if it is for the protection of scheduled tribe. Now, in Khadak Singh versus State of UP, in this case, Supreme Court held that the right to move freely throughout the territory of India means the right of locomotion, which connotes the right to move wherever one likes and however one likes. Then, in the state of Uttar Pradesh versus Kaushalya, in this case, Supreme Court held that the right of movement of prostitutes may be restricted on ground of public health and in interest of public morals. Now, second is the freedom of residence, that is under Article 19, Clause 1(e). So, in this, the Indian Constitution guarantees to every citizen of India the right to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and this right is subjected to reasonable restrictions which may be imposed by the state by law under Clause 5 of Article 19 in the interest of the general public or for the protection of interest of any scheduled tribe. So 19 clause 5 is giving restrictions to both for in the freedom of resident and for the freedom of movement. So Article 19(1)(d) and Article 19(1)(e) are complementary to each other, and it is to be noted that the right to reside and right to move are freely throughout the country are complementary, and often they go together. In most of the cases, it is considered under Article 19(1)(d) are relevant to Article 19(1)(e) also, and the two rights therefore are discussed together. So the freedom of movement and residence apply only to the citizens of India and not to the foreigners. And a foreigner cannot claim the right to reside and settle in the country as guaranteed by Article 19(1)(e). And the government of India has the power to expel foreigners from India. Thank you so much.